Hey ya! Today we're doing a soft rose gold peachy pink look. I've already done my face base of foundation, concealer, and setting powder. I'm starting in with Too Faced Sweetheart's Perfect Flush Blush in Peach Beach on an IT Cosmetics blurring powder brush. Next I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Amber Gold. I hit the top of my cheekbones and then do a C shape up over my eye. Then I hit the center of my forehead, straight down my nose, and the front of my chin. And I go over a few spots for a little more intensity. Now I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in the color Fawn on an IT Cosmetics Travel Size Airbrush Blurring Foundation brush to do my contouring. Now I'm using Lorac Pro Eyeshadow Palette 2 in the shade Nectar on an IT Cosmetics Flawless All Over Shadow brush. I'm packing that in on the lid and bringing it up almost to the brow. And now I'm adding a hint of shine with the shade Rosé. And I'll go in with the shade Buff to highlight my brow bone. And I'll also use the shade Buff to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. Now I'll go in with the shade Beige on an IT Cosmetics bent liner brush on the first third of my lower lash line. Now I'll go back in with the shade Nectar to line the rest of my lower lash line. Now I use Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer in the shade Fair on a Mini Pro Beauty Blender to clean up the outer edges. And I use Makeup Revolution translucent baking powder to set everywhere I've concealed. I use IT Cosmetics blurring powder brush to brush away all of the excess powder. I'm doing my brows with Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown on an Anastasia Beverly Hills 7B brush. And I'll hit my lashes with Too Faced Waterproof Better Than Sex mascara. And I will slightly overline my lips with Revlon Color Stay Lip Liner in Natural. For lip color, I'm using Kylie Cosmetics Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Dirty Peach. I love how smooth this color is. Now that my lips are done, I've decided to darken my eyeshadow color a little bit by going back in with the shade Nectar. And I'll blend out that lower lash line a little further. And finally, I set everything with Makeup Revolution Sport Fix Extreme Makeup Fixing Spray. And that's our rose gold peachy pink look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell button so you never miss one of my videos.